Okay, I have two options that I've worked on. One on the left and one on the right. There's your microwave drawer with a drawer down below. Decided to put it on this side of the kitchen just in case a second cook wants to warm something up and it doesn't conflict with the stove, which I think you can see I have it over here. Then this cabinet here would have two doors, and a drawer all the way across, and behind these two doors would be roll-out trays. This is a 24-inch wide dishwasher. You'll see in the other plan I've got a 18-inch dishwasher, which I'll show you now actually. So we have cabinets with roll-out trays. This is a blind corner cabinet. So in order to fit an 18-inch wide dishwasher adjacent to the sink, which is my preferred place. So this is the dishwasher here, obviously the sink. This is not adjacent to the sink, this dishwasher. So I'm not as big of a fan, but if you're used to that, then I'm okay. But the advantage of this design is there's a super lazy Susan in the corner here, which is usually the best use of a corner cabinet. This blind corner cabinet here isn't as good. Pull it up. So a blind corner cabinet looks like this. This is the blind. But I can put in trays that swing out. Let me show you what that looks like. Cabinet companies have trays that look like this. They swing out. I'll hit the images button, see what happens here. Various swing out trays for a blind corner cabinet. To make it a little easier to get in that corner, which is back here. But again, this is a better setup. This is your super lazy Susan. Here. With two spinning trays. That's probably what you have today. Sink centered on the window. Single sink basin. Various wall cabinets here. In this corner, there's two options. I'm showing you the 90-degree option, but they also have they call this an easy reach. But I also have what they call a diagonal wall cabinet, which I'm going to show you what that looks like now. So there's that in the corner. If I hit this button, hit variations, hit that button, hit OK. There's the diagonal wall cabinet. You can see it's on a diagonal. So this would be a narrow cabinet used for cookie sheet storage. Again, this is the dishwasher on this plan. This guy here is a pull-out trash, a single pull-out trash. A lot of customers like to have a trash bin next to the sink. I know you don't have that now, so if you want, if you're used to and you'd rather have the bank of drawers, that's fine. But I thought I would put a trash, because I have the space, I could put a trash pull out there. And this would be a working drawer on top. So I'm going to make this window bigger because both designs are identical, other than this area right here. So this is the trash puller I was just talking about. Various wall cabinets here. Another Super Susan. Then we have two draw-based cabinets on either side of the stove. Not knowing what you'd like to put over the stove, I haven't put any cabinet there. I know that it might be a challenge to vent your stove outside, so we can talk about that a bit. But I've given the refrigerator a built-in look by putting panels on either side of the refrigerator with a cabinet above. You can see the crown molding. That would be touching the ceiling. Then over at the laundry room, we have these two tall floor-to-ceiling cabinets with a flush toe kick at the bottom to give it kind of a furniture look. This is 12-inch deep storage. I think that would give decent space. This right here is showing where the switches are. The existing switches are now. So we are going to clear those without any problem. So that's what we have. That's what I have at this point. Probably a main decision would be 24-inch dishwasher or an 18-inch dishwasher. If it's an 18-inch dishwasher, it can go directly to the left of the sink or where the existing 24-inch dishwasher is. But if it's a 24-inch dishwasher, then the best place for it would be where I have it in this plan here. Let me know if I'm on the right track.